Hi guys, I just want to talk to you about my new ZNT Airfits Bluetooth headphones that I recently got. So these are earbuds. They're really small and compact, as you can see. It fits into my hand over here. So I'm going to show you everything that comes with it. There is Airfits 1, battery power, input, etc. So let's start with the box. So here's the box that it comes in. And when you open it up, you find the ZNT Airfits sitting right there. On top, you got the user manual in clear English instructions with visual pictures to make sure it is super clear and understandable exactly how to use it. Then in the USB box, you have multiple sizes for earbuds. Over here are the rubber parts for the help holding into your ear, and over here is the micro USB to USB cable, standard phone cable. So that plugs into this wireless battery charging box right over here. So the way this works is this battery case gets charged up when you plug it in, then you can just take it on the go wherever you want. When you want to use the headphones, the earbuds, you just open it up. So they are being charged right now, hence the flashing blue light, and you can see that it's lit up. So this is the right, this is the left as shown. In order to start using them, you just charge it up and then you take it out when you're ready. I don't know if you can hear that, but basically when you pull it out, it automatically turns on and they connect to each other. Right? So you're going to hear Bluetooth, you can say channel 1 connected, channel 2. And then they connect to each other, then you just open up your phone and go to Bluetooth, search for nearby devices and connect to it. Once it's paired the first time, in the future you can just turn on Bluetooth and it'll automatically connect whenever you take it out of the case. To turn it off, you can either long press the buttons or you can just stick it back into the case and it'll turn off automatically. It's got a couple cool features like long press this button for 2 seconds and it'll activate Siri or Google's Assistant. If you double tap, you could skip a song, you could click to answer, rejecting calls, etc. So it's pretty cool. I like the sound quality, it's very good. I had a previous set of earbuds that are similar to this. They are much bigger. These are way more compact than the other ones. You can see how big it is approximately. And they got excellent, superb sound quality. They are a little expensive, $50, but definitely worth it at that price range. The old ones were bigger and heavier. Another issue I had was a bigger case and they didn't stay in place, so when I moved the case around they fell out and I had to hold it up. So these have magnetics in them. As you can see, you can turn it upside down, it'll stay in, which is great because this means when I put it in my pocket or take it on the go, I know they're going to keep charging up while I'm going and it's not going to just fall out and I have to hold it straight. So I'm really happy with my purchase, and thank you for watching my review on the ZNT Airfits. Have a great day.